Destinations within Vivi's signage feature can be created to choose which displays the signage will be displayed on. To create a new destination in Vivi Central, select the drop-down next to Signage in the left-hand menu, then select Destinations. Select Create Destination in the upper right. In the pop-up, give the destination a name, then select Continue. Use the drop-downs to expand locations, then use the plus icon to add in either locations or rooms. Once complete, select Create Destination. To edit a destination after it has been created, select Destinations in the left-hand menu, then select the name of the destination to be edited. Use the Edit Rooms and Locations button to add or remove these from the destination.